Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing here of the newer Samsung Galaxy A16. I believe these came out at the end of 2024. It is now like January 22nd of 2025. So this is the Walmart's family mobile version. This was $100. If you were to buy them unlocked from Samsung, they are $200. But it should be the same phone. It's just this would be locked to Walmart's family mobile. So we can see here with 6.7-inch full HD plus display. Whole bunch of cameras on it, including a 50 megapixel rear camera, battery talk time of up to 47 hours, and Wi-Fi calling capabilities. This is 128 gigabyte of storage version, up to 1.5 terabyte expandable storage with a micro SD card, octa-core processor, and then it comes with some stuff in this box. According to Walmart's website, this is supposed to have 8 gigabytes of RAM. I believe that is not correct. I believe this only has 4 gigabytes of RAM, since this is the 128 gigabyte of storage version. I believe the 8 gigabyte version of RAM will have 256 gigabytes of storage, not 128. So we get USB-C to USB-C, and of course your guides to setting it up. Of course, the phone itself is wrapped up in the paper. Then here is the phone. So this is basically all plastic. The phone itself is like a very nice dark gray, hard to show off on camera, but it is a decent looking phone. I mean, it looks like a Samsung phone. I wouldn't really say these phones look cheap by any means, but I know they're not going to be looking as expensive as their flagship phones are, but it still looks very good. I do like how you have the flat, it bumps up a bit, and that goes into your buttons. So you have the power button, volume rocker, mic, should be for the micro SD card slot expansion, along with your SIM card, of course. Mic, USB Type-C, and speaker. And of course, the front also has a camera. So stay tuned to my channel. I will be making a bunch of comparison videos with this, especially versus the A15. I know as right now, on almost every website I've looked at that has reviews of this phone from actual people, this only has like 3-star ratings. On like Best Buy, I think on Samsung's own app, it only has like 3 stars. So we'll have to see how this is, whereas the A15 actually has rather good ratings. So like I said, stay tuned. I'll be making some comparison videos rather soon here. As always, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time.